Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Mako rear bumper for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your existing rear bumper according to the manufacturer's instructions. We show how to remove your factory bumper in another video linked below. If your model has sensors, remove them in order, left to right, 1 through 4. Step 2. With the Mako aside, reinstall your trailer wiring plug and license plate lights into it. Again, if your model has sensors, pop out our included sensor plugs from the bumper and reinstall your sensors in order as they were in your factory bumper. Step 3. With the factory clip nuts removed, slide the Mako into the frame. Step 4. With the included flat and lock washers, nuts, tapered bolts, and an 18mm socket and 8mm Allen wrench, secure the bumper onto the frame. Step 5. Reconnect your trailer wiring plug harness, license plate lights harness, and sensor plug harness. Step 6. With the included bolts and a 4mm Allen, secure your license plate to the bumper. Finally, install your included D-rings. Enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad JT Mako rear bumper.